Honestly, that would be me snowboarding. The employee there just turns around and is like, this is not my problem. I don't think he's going to help anyone anymore. This guy just made him fly like 5 feet. He's on his knees praying to God that this guy actually makes it the third time around. The employee just gave up. He's like, you know what? Next. This guy is not gonna do it. Let me take the next person.
Lean back.
Oh, it looks like 19th time's the charm. I spoke too soon. Not happening. Nope. I'm happy that he's not giving up. Oh, he got it. He finally got it. Woo! Yay.